Once in a bustling city, there lived a man named Alex who had always struggled to earn the respect he desired. Tired of being the target of insults and ridicule, he embarked on a quest to discover the secret to gaining unwavering respect. He sought advice from wise individuals and read countless books, eventually uncovering 5 powerful ways that transformed his life. 1. Self-confidence. Alex realized that confidence was the foundation of respect. He began working on himself, setting small goals, and accomplishing them one by one. As he achieved success, his self-confidence grew. Soon, he stood tall and spoke with conviction, which drew people to him. 2. Empathy. Understanding others was the next lesson. Alex learned to listen actively and genuinely care about people's feelings and concerns. By showing empathy, he gained a reputation as someone who could be trusted and relied upon, earning respect from colleagues and friends. 3. Humility. Alex discovered that humility was a key to respect. He stopped bragging about his accomplishments and started acknowledging the contributions of others. People appreciated his humility and were more willing to collaborate with him. 4. Consistency. To maintain respect, Alex realized he needed to be consistent in his actions and words. He stopped making promises he couldn't keep and delivered on his commitments. His reliability earned him the trust and admiration of those around him. 5. Standing up for principles. Finally, Alex learned that standing up for his principles was crucial. He refused to be part of unethical practices and never compromised his values. This unwavering integrity not only earned respect, but also inspired others to do the same. As time passed, Alex transformed into a confident, empathetic, humble, consistent, and principled individual. His reputation grew, and he became a role model in his community. No one dared to insult or disrespect him because they knew he had mastered the art of self-respect and earned the respect of others through his actions. In the end, Alex's journey taught him that respect was not something to be demanded, but something to be earned through a combination of inner growth and virtuous behavior. His story became an inspiration for those who sought the path to unwavering respect, proving that with dedication and self-improvement, no one could insult them anymore.